So Steve, you guys are using all Sonny's chemistry. I'm assuming all the Diamond Shine product.
Absolutely.
How's it working out for you?
We're loving it.
Yeah.
One of the reasons we chose Sonny's was y'all are basically a one-stop shop. Us being new to the industry, it just seemed like the smart thing to do. As for the experience, we've been loving it. Our tech, Chaz, has done great. Since we're new, I am no expert to the chemicals, but he has done an amazing job going above and beyond, training us, teaching us about the products, keeping us dialed in. He's here every other week, making sure that the chemicals are at the right adjustments and that we're getting the best clean car out of it. We've just had a great experience overall so far.
How's the customer reaction to the cars as they're exiting the tunnel?
We've had some funny interactions. Everyone, for the most part, they're loving it. They're saying it's way shinier from where they came from.
Right.
But the funniest one is we've had repeat customers that come back, and they're the customers that when you're at the pay station, they don't want to hear about what ceramic is.
Right.
They don't want to hear about what graphene is. And he comes back in second time, man, I don't know what y'all did to my car, but it was raining yesterday and the water was just beating right off it. It wasn't staying on. This is great. Sign me up. And so it has been funny to see interactions like that, but also just the overall, everyone has been very pleased with how bright and shiny their car comes out and the quality that these chemicals and the equipment do.
Beautiful. I'd preach in car wash college all the time that the chemistry is really the secret sauce that makes this whole thing go right now,
Yeah.
right? Back in the 80s and 90s, our chemistry wasn't very good, and we were doing a lot of prepping and hand toweling to make up for that.
Yep.
And today, we're not doing any of that, right? We're putting
Yep.
the car on and letting it go through, and without good chemistry, none of that equipment's not going to do its job. That's what I really love about Sonny's chemistry. All our chemistry guys are really, really sharp. They're good at what they do. And they love producing clean, dry, shiny cars.
He takes the time to train me, my guys, anything they want to know. He's more than happy to teach, and yeah, couldn't be more grateful.
It's really like having another manager on your staff. Right?
Yeah, he comes in and he spends a good portion of his day here. Like I said, once every other week, and yeah, he he knows what he's doing. That's for sure.
Good stuff.